In this video, I will show you how to give someone Steam points. So in order to give someone Steam points, first of all, open your Steam account and log into your account. When you log into your account, on the top, click on store, go to store section and then click on point shop. When you click on point shop, here you can read buy a game and earn point. So you can earn Steam point by just purchasing something on your Steam account. So in order to give someone Steam point, you have to send them some money in the form of Steam gift card. Simply send them Steam gift card. They will purchase something from their Steam account and in return they will get Steam points. So if you don't know that, let's click on any of the game and then click on how to get points. When you click on how to get points, here you can read you will get 190 Steam points for every 100 rupees spending. Is it means when you spend 100 rupees you will get 190 Steam points. So in order to give someone Steam points, you have to send them some money in the form of Steam gift cards. When they will receive gift card, they will purchase something from their own account and in return they will get Steam points. So this is the way indirect method to give someone Steam points.